This is the almond cake that I bought from Ikea, and I will be trying this out and I will let you know how it looks and how it tastes. This is how the cake looks like. It has almond toppings. It's white and it's, I think, half-inch thick or 3/4 inch thick, and it's around maybe 5 inches diameter. Hi friends, today I will be trying some of the items I bought from Ikea, and the first one I will be trying is this almond cake. So I will take a slice and I will show you how it looks from the inside. So this is how it looks from the side, and on top it's filled with almonds, sliced almonds, and in the middle there's some filling. I don't know still what it is, but we will try it. In between this brown layer, there's some small bits also of almonds, and on top and in the middle it's cream. It's a little bit sweet and nutty, but it's not overwhelmingly sweet. So this is a good cake. If you see this in Ikea, buy one and try it.